Hey guys, TCG Otaku here, coming at you with 2 boxes of Chaos TCG Extra Booster opening. So these ones are, I bought it when it was called Dijibri, Dijibri, not really sure what it is, but I started collecting Chaos TCGs as well, as you may have already noticed. So I was like, what the heck, why not? And so here I go. I'm just gonna start with the first box and see how it goes from there. Get out of here. So we got 6 packs as always. Alright, let's get it done. Oh, I like these packs. These are no points. Back. My first one, and this is my first rare, foil rare, yes. Points, none. Okay, and my second one, oh, another rare, or another foil rare. Awesome. And we have no points, again, as expected. Oh, and if you hear piano in the background, that's just one of my family members practicing piano. So don't mind that. And we have no points again. It's okay, I don't really expect points here. Oh, and we have my third rare. It's pretty nice. No points again. And this is my other rare. Last pack of the first box. And then I'll go ahead onto the second box. No points. It's a bummer. And there you are. Okay, next box. Go ahead, open her up. No, don't do that. Oh no. Oh, just kidding. It's all good. Next box. Another 6 packs. Let's start. Let's get it. No points again. Those are my foils. No points. Nice. For my foils. No points again. First one, second one. Alright, so on to the next pack. And there's no points yet again. Ooh, damn. Signed card. Woo! Sickest box opening ever now. Now it is an awesome box opening because there's a signed card. I don't know if you guys can see that. So, that's freaking awesome. No points, but I don't really care now because I got the signed card. Woo! And we have this lolly thing for my rare. And we have the last pack. which should hold my final foil rare. No points. Alright, what do we have? It's 2. Nice. So I guess I'll go over the foil commons that I got. Yeah. I don't know if anybody's actually interested in training for them, but I do have some doubles, as you can see, so I guess those are for trade. And these are my rares. So these ones are not for trade, and especially not this one. So leave that there. Okay. And there we go. Alright, another signed card pull. So thanks for watching my videos. If you guys enjoy my videos, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time.